Alright, here we are back at it again with our dancing fiend Danny. This is part 2 of the Project B4, so in this part you will be able to control the main character Daniel. Not in this part. You always gotta go to his dance battle with Kevin, his best bud. The group's still dancing over there. You can't skip out on the dance battle. Not here. So he's dancing, he's doing his dance, he's done with his dance. Wasn't it great? There's that shooter, wily shooter. And very soon we will be able to get to control Daniel himself. Now here comes the shooter. And oh boy, there Kevin goes. Now we gotta run around and collect all the objects and scrolls in the game. Now starting from the very beginning, once the scene starts, we have 120 seconds, the time it'll count down, for us to collect all the scrolls and objects in the game. If the timer runs down without us collecting all the objects and scrolls, then Daniel loses, but if we do get all the objects and scrolls, then we win. Now, the scrolls have a special feature to them, and that picking up a scroll will add 20 seconds to your time, which is a great boon to succeeding in this task. Picking up other regular objects will not add any time, but they are still necessary in order to win the game. And so we see here, Danny just zooming around, picking up objects like it ain't no one's business, all for the sake of dancing, and friendship, and love, and kindness, and all that sort of good stuff, and that's nice. So here we go. The controls for Daniel are you have to use the arrow keys in order to move around, and you see he's got another scroll. Good on him. That's another 20 seconds on the clock. Now you may wonder why I'm talking in such a oh there we go. Player loss. We couldn't get him all in time. We lose. What a shame.